你唔使驚啦，掹就得啦。嗱，你先剪呢一長嘅先。
Cut the long one.
Yeah, long one. Yeah， 嗱，你剪呢啲。
Where he's pointing， 你指去俾佢。
Yeah, yeah.
Like right here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 呢啲先剪呢啲嘢。Yeah， 剪呢啲。你先剪呢一長嘅。
你指俾佢睇剪邊度
Cut here。呢個剪到呢度。Yeah。呢個又剪呢度。呢度。剪咗幾條長嘅，唔好遮住啊嘛。
So we're gonna cut the long one so it's not like covering.
呢度剪呢度，剪呢度，yeah， 嗰個位置唔啱，我哋可以剪入呢度，剪呢度，留一件葉，yeah， 呢度剪呢度，yeah， 呢度剪呢度，盡量嗰啲牙向下就好啲咯。
啲牙係乜嘢？
即係嗰個葉啊，嗰個葉向下咧，就係啲枝係向下啊嘛，即係個葉啊，呢個，呢個咪出牙啦。佢第日佢就向翻呢度啦。
所以你
要你個位置咧要向下咧，你又要剪呢度，即係就唔要上面一橛，即係咁留翻呢個咪呢度咪長落嚟咯。如果你剪去呢度咧，嗰啲撩嘅 bench 係向上咯。
Okay。
向上咯。
Okay, so what he's saying is, if you cut it right there, where his
呢個鑷就向呢度。
Then when it grows back, it's gonna grow up this way. Now, if you cut it here
即
instead,
係我剪呢度啦。
like right there instead, then when the growth comes out, it's gonna come out from the
即係
bottom.
撩 bench go
So you
down.
want it to go down. That's the
You
direction of the
understand?
leaves. Yes?
cut 呢度嗰個 bench 咪向 down。如果你 cut 呢度咧，個 bench 咪上啦 up 啦。
When it grows back, that new branch is gonna grow up.
You know?
So there's directions.
要睇個 lift 啦就。
So that's why you have to watch where you're cutting
剪
it
啦。
away.
Yeah. 剪晒呢幾條長嘅先，唔係 hit 到個眼。呢個我可以唔要呢度，呢個剪呢，即係剪呢度冇問題啦。
That one, then right there?
Yeah. 呢個剪翻入嚟呢度，
Where he's
等佢重新再嚟。Yeah. 呢個向呢度啦。呢個要呢度。Yeah, good. 呢度剪呢度啦。剪埋一條，剪呢度。Yeah， 剪呢度。剪呢度。剪呢度。好啦嗱，而家開始啦。呢個後邊，呢個前邊。
That's the front.
This is front.
That's the front.
This is back.
And that's the back.
嗱，你睇下嗱
You not
咁
cut this one?
你開始 cut 呢啲
You
嗱
can
你
start cutting it.
呢度咁剪，一件葉兩件葉。
Two leaves.
Yeah， 呢啲響剪入去啦，先剪呢個下邊唔要。
So he doesn't want that one.
呢個單呢個即係響下邊嗰啲唔要啦嗱
The ones pointing down, he doesn't want.
，yeah。咁嗱，開始
So
呢
like
度
this one. 係咪嗰個唔要？
都唔要，
Yeah, that one he doesn't
即係
want.
掹咗佢得啦。
You can pull it.
嗱，呢啲開始慢慢剪啊嗱，呢啲咁剪，呢度 one by one 咁嗱，呢個唔要啦，
係咪全部向下邊？
下邊嗰啲唔要，
So all the ones pointing down, he doesn't
嘢
want.
唔要。嗱，
So
呢
like
度
this one? Yeah. 唔要嗰個。
掹佢，直情掹
You
嘅
can pull it too.
Oh.
，yeah。咁嗱，到呢度開始剪啦嗱，呢度咁，即係 one by one 咁剪啦，
留翻兩條葉。
係啦，兩嘅葉，
Save 2 leaves and then
到你 keep 住剪啦嗱，呢度個你跟住剪就得啦。
So you work on that side, he can work on that side.
你先剪啦嗱，由下邊一路咁剪，
Go from the bottom up. So
Yeah.
you can work on right here. And then you can do the other side. Go
照
for
剪啦。
it. Don't be scared. You can just
嗱，你 check 你唔怕照剪公公啲樹，
It's okay. Just cut it.
嘢照 cut 嘢，你先一行咁樣 cut，嘢唔怕冇問題，你照剪啦。嗱，跟住咁嗱，你睇公公嚟咁剪啊，即係 keep 住咁剪啊。嗱咁剪，係咪？嗱咁剪，啊，下邊嗰啲唔要掹佢就得啦。
And then you can pull some of it too from the bottom.
掹都得㗎啦，如果你剪就耐嘅，你真係太耐啦。嗱咁剪，你一笪一笪咁剪 ，one piece，
Like one section.
即係 one piece， 唔好呢度咁樣，好似剁 PP 咁樣唔得啦。
So like one section at a time.
You understand？
Yeah.
即係嗱，你剪呢度，你係一路剪晒呢度先，你知唔知啊？你剪呢度彎呢度全部都 OK， 得身。
She's fine.
嗱，你剪呢度一行咁剪，
You take your time.
身體低啲，
可以。唔使低啲可以，佢可以企喺度。You can always stand up too.
OK。嗱，你掹啲葉咧，變咗咧，佢裏邊有太陽咧，有新嘅啦。
He's pulling out some of the leaves, so then the sun can get through to the rest.
佢啲樹啲唔會跌啊，裏邊嗰啲。上面咧，你盡量就留佢短啲唔得，呢度可以要一件。
The ones on top,
上面 short 啲
you
唔
can make it
得
a little bit shorter and leave one leaf.
，yeah。
Okay.
你剪咧，
Go ahead. Keep
Go.
cutting.
照 cut 咧，你睇到嗱，呢啲係全部都係乜嘢？yeah。你一路剪啦，一幅咁剪啦，yeah。照剪啦，唔怕啦，剪就點都唔緊要噶啦
You get just cut.
，yeah。剪啦嗱，嗱好似你剪咧，一定要咁樣嗱，全部咁樣，係咪？你睇公公嗱咁剪啦，
Two of them.
睇到？
You see it? Okay, start cutting.
你照剪都唔怕噶啦，
He's telling you to go for it.
係咪？剪啦，你照剪啦。
Keep going.
剪呢度嘢，一路咁剪。
Get that section that he was pointing out.
Gong Gong, what type of tree is it?
呢個 Chinese elm
How old is the tree?
呢個都有10幾年噶啦，maybe 我哋種嗰陣時先用啲根咧放咗落去，有啲 baby 啊，放咗落去，再放喺地下度種，先係等佢哋咧嗱全部食晒入去，全部煙，佢先係喺個地下一路咁樣改，keep 住 cut。
我哋用嗰個石，你包住嚿石先種落地下。
種落地下，先再有個樣啦，先開始一路一路咁改。
天冷嗰時嗰啲葉係咪自己會落啊？還是你掹出嚟嘅？
佢落到咁上緊咧，睇你放嘅地方，有啲地方咧佢唔落㗎，佢唔夠凍啊！我哋叫。
So if it's cold enough, the leaves will kind of fall off on its own during the winter time. But depending on the climate, if it's not too cold, the leaves might not fall off on their own. 佢唔落嗰時，你幫佢掹到佢出嚟。
Yeah.
So then, if it doesn't all fall off by itself, then he goes in and he plucks the rest of it out. 點解要全部掹晒啲葉咧？
如果你掹晒葉去長啲芽就咧出得滿啲咯，剪晒葉佢全部 everything 爆芽。
So
如果你唔係咧，一度出一度唔出。
So when you remove all the leaves, when it grows back, then it grows back fuller everywhere.
I think it goes dormant and all the energy, the tree's resting.
Yeah, because if you don't take it out, he says that the leaves might not come back in certain areas. So it's more a balance of energy that comes for when it comes back out.
Yeah, I think some trees need to be dormant.
佢出得均勻啲咯。
So when it comes back, it's more even.
嗱，我哋掹完之後再剪一剪咧，唯一有葉你睇唔到佢，即係嗰啲枝巴唔 balance，所以你搣晒之後咧，再有啲啱，有啲唔啱嘅再剪啊。
So now that he pulled off some of the leaves, you can see all the branches a lot better. And then he's gonna go back in and then look at the branches again to see what needs to be trimmed off again. Okay.
得啦，我再嗱你睇落去好似唔均勻啊嘛，我哋一定要再剪一剪佢先均勻。
So there's like longer and shorter ones, so it's not even yet. So he wants to go back in now and then
嗱，你可以開始由呢度正面一路咁樣啦，
in the front.
有個翻嗰度開始。嗱，你開始執，
What's he doing? He's cleaning it up and just making the branches more balanced.
如果佢唔均勻就唔靚噶嘛，或者有啲剪翻入去都唔定，即係睇棵樹嘅樹形。 我覺得多數由下邊一路向上剪，
Cut from the bottom up.
因為如果唔係唔均勻嘅。
So then you can like kind of set the tone right of the tree. So you start balancing it from the bottom up.
Set the structure.
即係由下邊一路咁上嘅。咁你睇個長度啱唔啱？即係意思，即係嗰個面啊，即係睇落去均唔均勻嘅。係咪睇落唔同？
Yeah.
你咁樣執一執佢，
Yeah. 好，
係嘛？
好睇好多。
你掹完再剪一剪嗰啲 small one，即係睇落先 balance。